hand. We heartily welcome Abhilasha ma'am here. She's part of WHO Archer Mission family. She had been here for 5 years with WHO, and she's very much close to WHO. And we are very pleased to have you here, ma'am. So archers வந்து நிறைய பாப்புலாரிட்டி இருக்கும், but to honor a coach, it's too much. It's all their hard work, their sweat. So whatever Sheetal Devi and Payal are today, it's all because of her. So we are very pleased to have you here, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'll be seeing the shooting. And first of all, like, thank you Kanna, thank you Soleil. And as she mentioned, some or other way, I have the roots connected here. And it's really great to be here as a coach after representing India in many events till the Olympics, winning the medal at Olympics for the country as an Indian team coach, and seeing you all growing. I remember there were almost 100 plus archers when we were here working with them. They all were quite grown up archers, and new archers were also there like you. So I'm really happy. I can't express in the words. So I would like to see the shooting. I would like to see the ground. My first desire was we will go to ground. you know. So I hope I'll be able to be in touch, be contribute a bit whatever possible. But we have a lot of talent in the Tamil Nadu archers. But it's really need just a shape, a just right track, because you all do well in studies, you all do well in sports. I have seen the huge contingent in the nationals is from Tamil Nadu. So that itself is a very big challenge. Having a huge contingent representing Tamil Nadu in the national, be it sub-junior, be it junior, be it senior. I have seen number of archers, which is like huge contingent. So for me, having archers, if you have like 100 plus archers, 20 will definitely do excel. So the first thing is getting archers shooting, getting archers to the range, that they take the pain of coming, having bow, shooting. They have to excel some or other day. It takes time, but you are going to do, you are going to achieve. And I know who has guided you, and your coaches are taking lot of efforts. So just believe your coaches. There is no other formula. Trust the coach who is standing behind you. You will have double power of energy, double transition. So once archers start from grassroots to elite, learning that trust the coach who is standing behind, you are going to do best. So whosoever, your coaches are making you like from roots. So never forget like how they started feeding you with spoon. Like your mother start at home. So same in the ground is coach. So my best wishes to you, and I'm always there for anything. Okay, even if I have to visit, whatever it is, I'm always there. Okay, thank you. Same to the parents. You are sending your kids to a ground, so they are going to stand apart from a queue. Tomorrow, if a archer will stand or another person stand in queue, your child will be different, because it teaches them a lot, passion, then discipline. It is like archery will make them a different person completely. So just be supportive to them. I am a parent also, my daughter is also shooting. So as a coach and as a mother, I know both the things. So when I am behind my archers, my daughter till now says ki like, you are more with your archers, not with me. And that's true also. So but you need to be with them, even if coaches are taking a lot of pain, they are taking a lot of efforts, but your support is something will push them a bit more. Okay, so just trust